going on YouTube? My name's Curtis. We're over here at Box Canyon today with the 80D Bronco over here. My brother-in-law and Adam over here. He's been on the channel before, camping over in Strawberry. And we got the 23 Colorado on 35s. Let's get to it. Before we start this video, make sure to check out the merch on downtimelost.com. We got the hats, the jackets, the shirts, the beanies, we got it all. So check it out, downtimelost.com.
At first. In the rear? You hit in the rear at first, then in the front. When you were backing up.
Oh, I hit the shock skid, bro. That's what we got him for. Look at that.
Oh, you hit that.
Ding. Shout out Leveled Up, sending out the rock skids. Really helped me out today. Yeah, you guys are awesome. I'm just worried about that plastic fucking oil pan I got.
Alright guys, so rolling up on this nice little rocky waterfall climb. It's about a 2 to 3 foot climb right here in the beginning. And then you want to hug that left wall all the way around the corner. And if you can see where I am pointing out in the video, there's a ginormous boulder to hit your diff on. And somehow I still managed to do that. And then you keep going, and then you got to take a sharp left. But the turning radius in the 23 Colorado is not as good as a Jeep or a Bronco, I found out. But we made it around the corner. Definitely shouldn't have tried this, but we were feeling a little frisky that day.
Oh, shit. Shit. All right, boys. We're about to send this Box Canyon hill right here. Look out. Buy some merch, please. I'm doing it for you guys. Let's get it.
We're good. We're good. I don't see anything crazy.
I don't want to get flung rocks at me, though.
Yeah. No, he's gonna. Yep, that's your differential. Watch your, there you go.
I want that tire to slip off.
You're almost about to hit your bumper, so.
This is actually possible. You're hitting the bumper there.
That's fine.
good, I think.
More driver.
Yeah, squeeze. Nice.
Sorry I doubted you, man.
Woo, subscribe, downtown blow. Got buy some merch now, guys. Downtown Lost. Hey, thanks for spotting me though.
Let's get the Bronco up here.
I know.
Yeah.
Right?
Come on, the Bronco has to be way easier.
If you haven't noticed yet, the 80D Bronco definitely walks this little waterfall rock crawling section way easier than my truck does, considering it is on 37s and a shorter wheelbase. The 80D Bronco just had to shimmy once on this little tight turn, but I had to do it multiple times, nearly smashing my cab corners into that side rock, but we eventually made that turn and we're all good. To be fair, the Bronco could have made it up this hill right here. We could have just aired down a little bit and it would have made it up just fine, but it is the company vehicle and we were spinning a lot of tire and we heard a loud ping in the front end. We thought it was a tie rod, we checked and it wasn't, but we decided to turn around and call it good.
Oh, fuck. I heard something. That's why you buy a Colorado like that. 2023 Colorado. Showed this Bronco what? The walk of shame. Got a little bit of a dilemma. I'm stuck all the way up there, but I did the hill. The Bronco can't do the trail, so they're stuck down here. And then the two-wheel drive Tacoma is on the other side of that rock climb, on the other side of the trail. So I'm gonna loop around and try to meet with them over there by myself. So let's try it. All right, now we're doing this little hill by ourselves. See how it is. And we keep going. All right, here's another little hill. Whoop-de-doo. I'm a little scared because this one's pretty tall too. We'll give it a rip. Woo! Damn, boy, look at that shit. Crazy. God damn, look at this view. Some Arizona view right here. Crazy. Crazy. Oh shit, we got another hill up here. Oh boy, I'm all by myself. I'm a little scared. Well guys, I'm honestly surprised. The Colorado did that last hill like way better than the Bronco. The Bronco couldn't even get traction. We were scared it was gonna break its tie rods. So they should have had some peak tie rod sleeves for the Bronco, but they did not. But yeah, I am surprised the Colorado did as good as it did on those fucking trails. The Bronco definitely walked that little rocky section a lot easier because it was on 37s and I don't know, whatever lifts on there, but yeah, it was pretty crazy. I hope you guys like those clips. We bent the bed back again a little bit. After the trail, I'll show you guys what happened, a little trail damage, what we did, but I'll give you guys a little recap of the damage. So, let's keep going. Yeah, no, wait. Back a little bit. Yeah, straighten out. And just hit it right there. You got that? Woo! Alright guys, thanks for watching. There's a super sick trail out here with the 80D's Bronco and the Tacoma. So that little rock section was pretty fucking gnarly, but we did it. So go buy some merch for that, you know, we're doing it all. Colorado beat the Bronco on that one muddy hill, so that's cool. We beat that. But definitely go check out my merch, downtimelost.com. I'm really trying, guys. Buy the shit that's out right now. Appreciate you guys. Peace out. Love you. Bye.